Following the arrest and eventual detention of Robert Kyagulanyi at Makindye Barracks, members of parliament started asking about his whereabouts and status. The Deputy Prime Minister, General Moses Ali, was tasked by the Speaker of Parliament to establish facts on this matter and later reported to Parliament on August 16th that Kyagulanyi had been detained after illegal guns and ammunition were found in his hotel room in Arua district.
He was found, Kyagulanyi was found with a gun, and he will appear before General Court Martial in Gulu tomorrow.
But on Thursday last week, the Army General Court Martial dropped the charges at the suggestion of the Director of Public Prosecutions requested, opting to have him tried in a civil court.
In this particular case, because Honorable Ssentamu had been on the list initially on the charge sheet, but because the Army had taken to charge him, and because this matter was already registered in court, we used our discretion to call for his. I don't know if somebody is unhappy that we got him from court martial. Do you want us to rescind our decision, or? On
Saturday, the Chief of Defense Forces, General David Muhoozi, told the media that they were no longer interested in the case and it was now in the hands of the police.
The Kyagulanyi was not exonerated by the General Court Martial because he was not tried to the conclusive end of the case. He was only discharged. Weapons that were seized in that room are still with investigators, so they are in their custody. It's up to them to pursue that charge as well in the other court.
As the MP, also known as Bobi, now battles treason charges at the Gulu High Court, we spoke to President of the Uganda Law Society, Simon Peter Kinobe, about the implications of the Army Court dropping the gun charges.
Withdrawal of proceedings does not necessarily mean that charges cannot be brought. It's exactly that, a withdrawal. And it can be done to allow investigations or upon the DPP realizing that the charges are unsustainable.
Kinobe says it's uncommon for the Director of Public Prosecutions to recall a dropped case.
By the time they agree to withdraw, then there is something considerably wrong with the prosecution in the first place. So the likelihood that they will be reinstated is next to none.
The police declined to comment on the whereabouts of the guns and bullets in this case. However, the Uganda Law Society says the irregularities in handling evidence and arrest is enough to nullify the entire procedures.
For the very reason that it is the Army that alleges to have discovered the guns. It's the Army that preferred the charges. Now they are detracting and saying, well, if police wants to investigate, it can. If it doesn't want, it's okay. For us, we have no problem with him relating to that. And again, I don't know why they would throw this to police at this stage, because now what does police investigate?
However, the Member of Parliament for Kampala Central, Muhammad Nsereko, insists that the government had no evidence for its accusations.
The foundation of the whole scenario that tantamounted into the arrest of Bobi Wine and his colleagues, and our own colleagues, was based on mere fabrication and fallacies.
Bobi Wine and 32 other people have today been granted bail and are expected to return to Gulu High Court for the hearing of their case on Thursday. They face treason charges. Walter Mwesije, NTV.